Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a revision timetable. So I'm going to show you guys how to do them, what to get in the habit of, and the 3 steps into creating a revision timetable. The first 3 steps to create a revision timetable is to have habit, achievable and personalised. If you watch any videos towards how to create revision timetables, they always say this, and I'm going to say it again. You need to have these 3 steps to have a proper good revision timetable. None of those fancy ones that you look at for a week just to have satisfied sitting on your wall and you just don't use it. So instead of being motivated, I hate that word, being motivated, is to actually get in the habit and discipline yourself. So to get into the habit, you need to have a set space that you do your work. Mine is my desk where I'm filming right now, and a set time that you will always go and do your work at. So then you start to get into this routine of naturally doing it instead of trying to motivate yourself, because I don't like that people are like, I have to be in the mood to revise, but you can't be in the mood to do your exams, so you've got to revise, because at the end of the day the exams are going to happen, so you need to revise, so you need to get a habit of doing it. Next, achievable. There's no point setting a revision timetable when you put that you're going to start doing your work at 4:30. At 4:30 your club just finished at karate. There's no point doing that. So the best thing to do is start writing down what you do during the weeks and then go from there. Never ever overlaps it into things, and let yourself have, say you go to karate, have your time to get home from karate, be settled and then do your work. Don't put it that you get home and you go straight to revision, because there's no point doing that. And sadly that's something I did do at GCSEs, is I did just straight away just didn't really do it, because I do guides on a Thursday and I used to get home at 8:30 and then at 8:30 I would start, and that just was never achievable. Now at A-levels I don't do that. So now next thing is personalise. So personally for me, I like to do it weekly. There's no point doing this whole month thing or whole year and just sticking to one timetable, because things change and exams get closer and closer and subjects change, if that makes sense. Like things you do inside of subjects change. So the best thing for me to do is when I start my revision, I put the hardest subject first, because that is when you have the most effort, because as soon as you start going down the revision timetable you will have less and less effort. So if you get the hardest ones done first and then it gets easier from there, rather than start with easy, you're all happy and then you get harder. So it'll put you in a better mood after revising. Next you need to create a study goal. You need to choose how long you're going to revise for a day. So the regular is normally 3 hours a day, but obviously it's up to you how long you want to revise. For me personally, I can go hours with revising and not get tired. I just have that motivation in myself to do that. It's a born gift, I guess I have. If you know me, especially Bailey watching this, you know that I can go hours and hours, and he has to tell me to take a break, because like I just go off on a wild one. And then another thing is to make it specific. So don't just put biology, put biology and then put maybe what you plan to do in that week. That's why I create a weekly one, because then I write down what I'm going to do in that week. Is either, so I'll be like, right, for photography I need to reshoot on Monday at 8 PM, or I need to write my analysis, and then so then you know that you go to a revision timetable and you know exactly what you're doing instead of just biology. So always change your revision timetable up, don't stick to the same one. And then also when creating your revision timetable weekly, I think what you should do is write down the tasks that you want to complete that week. So what set of homework do you want to do, what coursework do you want to do, and what revision do you want to do that week. And yes, if you want to do something, do it, but also put the things in there that are a bit harder and a bit trickier that you don't really want to achieve. One thing I do recommend is doing it on Word document. It is the best thing. I made such a cute, satisfying timetable. I'll show you mine. This is my revision timetable. Let me show you. So that is my revision timetable. If you guys do want this revision timetable, message me and I'll send you it, if you don't want to make your own one. But if you don't, you can message me, I can send you one, or we can make one together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped someone, and make sure you follow my steps. Bye.